Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
Name triangles exercise 2.5. So in previous session we ended up till question number 8. Now we are moving to the question number 9. So that is a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of foot of a ladder from base of the wall. And remember, these type of question means a ladder type of question we can observe in two lessons. One is from triangles, another is from application of trigonometry. The only difference is in triangles they will give only the measurements like 10 meter, 8 meter, 6 meter, 12 meter like that. But in application of trigonometry they will give angles like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. The only difference you have to think that whether the angle and the measurement or only the measurement. If it is only the measurement, it is related to triangles. The measurement along with angles like 30 degree, 60 degree, it is related to application of trigonometry. When we solving that lesson, we are going to discuss about that. Now only let us concentrate on this question. Here the question is, as you all know, ladder we always will make it as a slant, right? So it is, you can observe in the figure, the ladder, it is a slant, okay? It is slant to the wall. So, and remember, wall is always to the ground, it is always will be the perpendicular, right? So here there's telling, so here the ladder is 10 meter long and it reaches the window which is 8 meter above the ground. So look here the window, how many meter it is above the ground? 8 meter. They're saying to find the distance between the foot of the ladder to the base of the wall. Okay, so let's solve the solution. Since the wall will be the perpendicular to the ground, perpendicular means, as you all know, the angle will be 90 degree. Here angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, as you all know, here these exercise questions we are solving related to Pythagoras theorem. So here we are applying Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Here remember, here which is an angle 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree. That which is a opposite side, it is, you can observe, if it is this will be ABC. Okay, so ABC, so AB will be the hypotenuse here. AB will be the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. You need to find BC square. So let us substitute what is AB, the ladder, that is hypotenuse, it's 10 square, plus what is AC, here the height of the wall, so it is 8 square, plus we need to find BC, so BC square as it is. So what about 10 square? It is 100. 8 square it is 64. So keep it BC square as it is. Next is, just you take 64 to the LHS, it becomes minus. This is very simple question. If you have to apply Pythagoras theorem, okay? So 64 here, 100 minus 64, you will get 36 BC square. So BC square is equal to 36. So if you take square to the RHS, it becomes square root. So BC is equal to square root of 36. Now I used one step here because so many of them are little confused when taking the square root. Okay, 36 is the perfect square. Directly you can take BC is equal to 6 meter. The only thing is you have to understand this. Okay. So BC is equal to square root of 36 can be written as 6 into 6 or 6 whole square. So square and root cancel. So finally you will get BC is equal to 6 meter. From this you can directly write this step. No need to write other two steps, only to make you to understand. So I wrote these two steps. So directly square root of 36 means from this step, BC is equal to square root of 36. You can write it as 6. So what is the distance between BC now? So here base of the wall and the foot of the ladder. So what is the distance? The distance of foot of the ladder from the base of wall, that is BC, is equal to 6 meter. So this is about question number 9. So in this session only I am going to solve one more question which is very similar to this, that is question number 10. Question number 10. A guide wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of pole should be stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So before solving this question, we have to understand some new words which is given in this. That is, one is guide wire and the one is stake and the one is taut. Okay, you have to understand what is the meaning of that. ಸೊ ಗೈ ವೈರ್, ಸೊ ಏನಿದು ಗೈ ವೈರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್, ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ರೋಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ದಪ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ವೈರ್ ರೋಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಗೈ ವೈರ್. ಓಕೆ, and what is this stake? What is this stake means? You would have observed the what we can call it as iron rod or a wooden rod which is used to tie the rope as used in tent. ಈಗ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆಂಡಲ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ದಾರನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಐರನ್ ರಾಡ್ನ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐರನ್ ರಾಡ್ ಆರ್ ವುಡನ್ ರಾಡ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ವೈರ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಪೋಲಿಂದ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪೋಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರೈವನ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ವೈರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟಾಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ pole is always it is perpendicular to the ground. Vertical pole or a wall, anything else, so they're always perpendicular to the ground. So that's what you have to write. The pole will be the perpendicular or vertical to the ground. As it is vertical or perpendicular, definitely here angle B will be 90 degree. Angle B or angle ABC is 90 degree. As you all know, if any triangle is 90 degree, it is a right angle. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. So let us use the Pythagoras theorem. Here if you observe this triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So which is opposite, it is AC will be the hypotenuse. So that's what we used, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AC square? It is 24 square. AB square it is 18 square plus BC square, keep it as it is. 24 square means 576. 18 square it is 324 plus BC square. So if we shift 324 to the LHS, it becomes minus 324. So here 576 minus 324, you will get 252. 252 is not a perfect square. Observe here, 252 is not a perfect square. So what you have to take? If you take square to the RHS, it becomes square root. So here we have to find the nearest perfect square which is multiplied to any number. Okay, here if we take 36 into 7, 36 into 7. So because you can take, why ma'am 36, we can't take another number? Yes, 25, 36, 49, anything else. But a perfect square, if you multiply the nearest number, you have to get 252. Here the perfect square it is 36. If you multiply 7 to that, you are getting 252. So 36 can be taken as square 6, right? If you apply both separately, square root of 36, square root of 7. So here, so square root of 36 is 6. So 7 is not a perfect square. Keep it 7 as it is. So what is the distance between the stake? 6 root 7 meter. You can write it as 6 root 7 meter. So this is the distance between B and C. Okay. So this is called as stack. And the wire we call it as guy wire. Taut means a the tight wire, you can say it as. Okay, this is about question number 10.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.